Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the Realme 10 Pro 2025 edition. This device is making waves with its upgraded features, sleek design, and powerful performance. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that delivers a premium experience, stick around till the end. Starting with the display, the Realme 10 Pro 2025 features a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. The ultra-smooth scrolling and vibrant colors make it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. The peak brightness reaches 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The bezels are almost non-existent, giving an immersive full-screen experience. Under the hood, Realme has packed a powerful chipset, most likely the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 or an equivalent MediaTek Dimensity processor. This ensures a lag-free experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. With up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 256 GB, performance is top tier in its category. Now, let us talk about the cameras. The main camera is a 108MP sensor with advanced AI processing for crisp and detailed shots. Realme has improved night photography with better low-light optimization. The ultra-wide and macro sensors add versatility, while the 32MP front camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. 4K video recording with enhanced stabilization makes it a great choice for content creators. Battery life is another highlight. With a 5500 mAh battery, this phone can easily last more than a day on heavy use. And when you do need to charge, the 80W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. Wireless charging support is also included, making it more convenient for everyday use. Moving to the software, the Realme 10 Pro 2025 runs on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. The UI is clean, fast, and offers a lot of customization options. Realme has also promised longer software support, so you can expect regular updates and security patches. The exterior design is premium, with a glass back and an aluminum frame. The color options include gradient finishes that change shades under different lighting. The phone is slim, lightweight, and feels comfortable in the hand. Side-mounted fingerprint recognition and AI face unlock add extra layers of security. For gamers, the phone comes with an advanced cooling system, ensuring smooth performance even during long gaming sessions. The dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support provide immersive sound, making entertainment more enjoyable. Now, the big question, is the Realme 10 Pro 2025 worth it? Considering the price-to-performance ratio, it stands out as one of the best options in the mid-range segment. You get a flagship-level display, powerful performance, great cameras, and long battery life, all at a competitive price. That wraps up our review of the Realme 10 Pro 2025. Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one.